Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming into play here. But after today's price movement, certainly some updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines down here. Sure, these levels still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint where I sit, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. But the first update I want to do here is just an adjustment. And the question is, well, what direction does this adjustment need to be made? And now that we have more data, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level of resistance up here to this level at $4.75. I mean, you go through the history and you can see 475 was a problem point a couple days ago there. And then once again, you jump forward and once again, right there acting as a problem point. So that's definitely going to be public enemy number one going forward. But to circle back, well, what direction did that adjustment need to be made? Well, I needed to adjust that level of resistance higher. And assuming you're bullish, assuming you're along, that's exactly what you want to see. When levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher and then adjusted higher, that is exactly, that's a great sign of power. And that's, now that doesn't mean that this thing's guaranteed to go up to $10, but it's certainly not going to hurt anything. So again, 475 now, the newest area of resistance. As far as levels of support, in the near term, the ideal level that you would want to see hold, ideal meaning, what would make this chart look the best, that would be if the price could stay up above $3.90. But from more so the overarching standpoint, just continue to watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price just stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. But the uptrend continues, so let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.